should I use BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers?
If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling, and stability of your Dodge, then wheel spacers should be your best choice. Wheel spacers are effective modifications that can transform your driving experience. For the outlook, the wheel spacer increases the stance and aesthetics of your vehicle. By pushing the wheels out from the chassis, spacers create a more aggressive and dominant posture for your Dodge. Meanwhile, the performance enhancement improved after installing wheel spacers, as a wider track reduces body roll during cornering, allowing for a more stable and confident driving experience. For Dodge vehicles known for their performance and reliability, installing spacers can further enhance their attributes, whether it's for daily driving or for performance enhancement. The addition of spacer ensures that the vehicle can provide a smoother, more responsive driving experience. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wheel spacer is that the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting. Installing spacer on Dodge vehicle not only safeguards the drivetrain, making it more robust and reliable, but also boosts the vehicle performance, making it an essential upgrade for those looking to maximize their vehicle capability.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!